Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Hari ini kami akan menerangkan tentang MIG dan TIG Welding. Saya Ahmad Izzuddin bin Sabri. Pengenalan. MIG ataupun lebih dikenali sebagai GMAW ialah proses welding di mana kimpalan terbentuk antara consumable MIG wire elektrod dan bahan kerja. Proses ni boleh jadi semi-auto ataupun automatik. GMAW kebiasaannya menggunakan power source arus terus. Pengenalan tentang TIG pula, TIG ni lebih dikenali sebagai GTAW, ialah proses kimpalan arka yang menggunakan non-consumable tungsten untuk menghasilkan kimpalan. Area kimpalan dan elektrod dilindungi oleh insert shielding gas iaitu argon atau helium biasanya digunakan daripada besi itu daripada teroksida. GTAW biasanya digunakan untuk mengimpal non-ferrous metal, contohnya aluminium, magnesium dan alloy cuprum. Welding method. MIG welding ada dua metod iaitu forehead method. The method must be done by pushing the MIG gun toward the direction of the weld, dan backhand method. The method there where we need to drag the MIG gun like a stick welder. TIG welding pula. Tungsten insert gas TIG welding use the heat generated by an electric arc struck between a non-consumable tungsten electrode and the workpiece to fuse metal in the joint area and produce a molten weld pool. To make a liquid pool to workpiece surface, the right angle between torch and filled rod is around 75 degrees.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Untuk subtopik seterusnya adalah welding equipment. Untuk MIG welding ada beberapa equipment seperti power source, wire feeder, grounding cable, welding gun, liquid cooling unit dan shielding gas tank. Untuk TIG cuma ada 3 je equipment yang kita perlukan, iaitu welding electrode holder, tungsten electrode dan shielding gas. Seterusnya adalah shielding gas. Fungsi utama shielding gas ni adalah untuk mengelakkan kita punya kolam kimpalan daripada terdedah kepada udara seperti oksigen, nitrogen dan hidrogen. Shielding gas ada beberapa jenis. Setiap jenis kita perlu memilih setiap jenis dengan betul untuk mengelakkan the cost of the gas, the finish weld properties, preparation and post weld cleanup. And the next is the base material, the weld transfer process and your productivity goal. Selalunya shielding gas ni digunakan dalam MIG welding seperti argon, helium, carbon dioxide dan oksigen.
Assalamualaikum, saya Akmal bin Al-Fuqaha. F1037 akan meneruskan pembentangan. Saya akan menerangkan tentang TIG welding machine. Firstly, the most commonly used shielding gas for TIG welding is argon. Next, the degree for the purity should be at least 99.95% helium. Helium is also used for metals which have very good level of thermal conductivity such as aluminium or copper. Aluminium dan copper ni mempunyai tahap kekondaksian haba yang baik. Next, if helium is the shielding gas, the arc is hotter. Sama seperti poin yang sebelum ini, helium ni merupakan konduktor haba yang sangat baik. Seterusnya, ini pula gambar MIG welding machine. Alright. Beralih pada poin seterusnya, elektrod. Gemau, welding electrode. MIG welding use a continuously fed electrode wire and shielding gas through a handheld torch. MIG welding process usually use a consumable electrode, which is commonly in the form of copper coated coil wire. Moving to the next point, argon is used to shield the weld, and direct current with the electrode being positive to generate more heat for melting. Poin yang seterusnya adalah getau, welding electrode. TIG welding use a consumable tungsten electrode with a shielding gas fed through a supply line and a separate Handheld filler rod that is manually fed into the weld pool.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I am Ahmad Amir Asfar Muhammad Syahif. I will continue from the slide they have done for advantage and disadvantage for MIG welding machine and TIG welding machine. For advantage, we have higher welding speed, second higher disposition rate, less post welding cleaning, better weld pool visibility, no stuck and losses or wasted man hours caused by changing electrode. 6. Low skill factor required to operate MIG or MAGS welding torch. 7. Positional welding offers no problems when compared to other processes. These processes easily automated, no flux required in most cases, and ultra low hydrogen processes. For disadvantage, we have higher initial setup costs. Second, atmosphere surrounding the welding process has to be stable, hence the shielding gases. Therefore, this process is limited to drop-free condition. 3. Higher maintenance cost due to extra electronic components. 4. The setting of plant variable require a high skill level. 5. Less efficient where high duty circle is requirement are necessary. 6. Radiation effect are more severe. Next, we go to TIG welding machine. TIG welding machine have 5 advantages and 5 disadvantages. For advantage, we have 1. Welding offer precision like nothing else. Second, TIG works in all direction. TIG welding doesn't mind the thickness. TIG guarantee versatility and variety. TIG reduce some of the welding hazard. For disadvantage, we have TIG welding is very difficult to master. And second is controlling the pedal isn't easy. Third, the TIG welding will test your patience. For TIG won't work in dramatic windy weather. And 5, overheating is a threat with TIG. And this is some example for MIG welding and TIG welding. On the left one we have MIG welding and the right one we have TIG one. And that's all from us. Thank you for listening from our slides. Thank you.